This page shows all the available rooms and the rooms that are booked in the hotel. For checkout settlement process, click on to the occupied room and select checkout. The details of the guest along with the bill amount is shown here. Click on to bill preview for viewing the bill. Now click on to checkout. The checkout has been saved successfully. You can either print or view the bill. As the checkout has been done, the color code of the occupied room is changed to unsettled room. Now click the unsettled room and select checkout settlement. After verifying the details, select settle option. The bill settlement has been saved successfully. After the checkout settlement has been done, the color code of the unsettled room is changed to dirty room. Now click on to the dirty room and select clear room. Once the clear dirty room page pops up, enter a reason. Click on to clear dirty option. The dirty room has been cleared successfully. The checkout settlement and room cleaning has been done successfully. Thank you.